Okay, here we go on the reveal. The egg.
Ooh.
Ooh, what color is that one, Connor? Green.
All right.
Oopsie.
All right, Debbie.
It's a little bit of a tricky process. There you go. Okay, which color next? Okay, be careful. Is it stuck? Oh, do you need a little help? Oh, there you got it. Steady. Okay, get it on the pan. You did do it. That was a little dangerous, but you did good. What color is that one, Connor? Red. You can do it. Is it hard?
All right, we gotta do it like that. Get underneath it. Good job. Oh, you got it. All right, good job. Let Daddy do it here.
There, you did it, Connor. Do you like Easter eggs? Yeah. Get the yellow one. There, you got it.
Good job.
Yeah, well, that one's pretty. Nice work, bud. See how that funky orange one turned out. Oh, it didn't look like it did very good.
All right.
Now you're getting it. Oh, it's not too bad.
You are a pro.
Nice work, Connor. Okay, now you have one white egg. Which color would you like to put that last one in? What color?
All right, pick a color.
Which color do you want? Yellow?
Yellow?
Do a yellow one? Okay, put it on your little stick.
Okay, put it on your stick.
Put it in the color now. All right.
Wait.
Now we're going to wait a little bit more. Then once those eggs dry, we're going to put some faces on them, okay? Connor, can you say, to be continued? Okay.